Hi, it's Paul. In this video I want to talk to you about two very powerful emotions. One is fear and the other is gain. Now in marketing these are two very useful terms to be aware of. Now if we think about our survival mechanism, fear is what keeps us alive. Back in the day of the caveman, if he was out hunting and he came up against a very vicious, dangerous animal, then his fear of that animal would enable him to react very quickly and escape from the situation and stay alive. If that same hunter had found some prey that he could kill for his family to eat, he's going to be very happy about that and he'll have the joy of gain. But the joy of gain is not as powerful as the fear of loss. Staying alive is much more important than going hungry for another day. So if you introduce this into your marketing, it's going to really help you well and really serve you very, very well. So for example, if you're a coach, when you're talking about your clients, you can reframe what you're talking about as a loss. Think about what you're going to lose by not taking out my service or not working with me. Think of the revenue that you're going to lose. Think about the relationships that you're going to lose. Think about the anxiety that you're going to continue to have. Whatever it is that you're coaching in, frame things as a loss rather than as a gain, because it's much more powerful in getting people's physiology to react and making a buying decision. Think about when you've ever lost some money or you've gained some money. I know it's a horrible feeling if you've lost your wallet or if you've opened your wallet and there's some cash that's missing. You know, it's a horrible feeling. We get that sinking feeling in our stomach. But if we walk along the pavement one day and we find something like some cash, now obviously if we're an honest person, we're going to hand that in, aren't we? But if there's no one around to hand it into, you've just made some money. It's a nice feeling, but what's more powerful? That physiology that makes your stomach sink when you think you've lost some money, or that nice feeling of when you think you've gained some money. I think you'll both find that, you'll find that with both those experiences, loss is more powerful than gain. So just think about how you frame what you're saying to get the responses that you're hoping to achieve. Hope that's useful. See you in the next video. Bye for now.